Okay, second graders, today we are going to be subtracting with regrouping if we need to. Okay, remember our little poem, more on the top in the ones, no need to stop. You just subtract. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So let's look at the second one on number 1. 23 minus 5. I can draw a picture. So it'd be 2 10s and 3 1s. And I'm subtracting 5. I do not have enough 1s, so I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. So the 2 is going to become a 1, and the 3 is going to become a 13. Okay, I can show that over here. I went next door, I took a 10, and I gave it to my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I have 1 10 and 13 1s, which is shown over here as well. Now I can subtract 13, and I'm going to subtract 5. I'm going to cross off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left over. 13 minus 5 is 8. Ooh, yikes. Try that 8 again. It's hard on this iPad. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So my answer is 18. All right, let's try the next one. Number 2. Okay, more on the top. No need to stop. Well, 8 is bigger than 0. I do not have to regroup. So 8 minus 0 is, ooh, yikes, 8. And 3 minus 0 is 3. No regrouping needed. The next one, 65 minus 6. Oh, well, there's more on the floor. So I'm going to have to go next door because 5 is smaller than 6 and get 10 more. So the 6 is going to become a 5 and the 5 is going to become a 15. If I showed that over here, here's what it would look like. I started with 6 10s, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I regrouped. So I came over here, took a 10, and gave it to the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now I have 5 1s, 5 10s, 15 1s. All right, I'm going to cross off 6 of my 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left over. 15 minus 6 is 9. And I have 5 10s left over, so 59. I'm going to do the next one without a picture. So let's go to number 2. 35 minus 8. I'm going to think of my poem. More on the top, no need to stop. Nope, there's not more on the top. More on the floor, go next door and get some more. Yep, more on the floor, so I'm going to go next door. The 3 is going to become a 2, and I'm going to put a 1 in front of my 5 to make it 15. So now I can subtract. I'm going to catch 8, count up to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 7 fingers up, so 15 minus 8 is 7, and 2 minus nothing is 2. All right, let's look at this next one. 42 minus 2. Well, I'm looking in the 1s, and the number's the same. Do you remember the poem for that? Yep, number's the same. Zero's its game. So 2 minus 2 is, that's right, 0. I don't have to regroup because I have enough to subtract, and 4 minus 0 is 4. All right, let's do one more. I'm going to draw a picture on this one. I have 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0 1, so I'm not going to draw anything in the 1s box. Whoa, I have to take away 9 1s, so more on the floor. Now I'm going to have to go next door and get 10 more. So the 5 is going to become a 4, and the 0 is going to become a 10. I can show that over here. Taking 1 away and giving it to the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 minus 9. I'm going to cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you want to do this on a whiteboard, that is fine. 10 minus 9 is 1. I have 1 left over. And 4 minus 0 is 4. All right, last one we're going to do. Get my eraser out. And here we go. 24 minus 5. Okay. More on the top, no need to stop. Nope, that's not the case. Numbers the same, zeros the game. Nope, they're close, but not the same. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. That's it. 5 is bigger than 4, so I'm going to go next door. The 2 becomes a 1. Put my 1 in front of my 4 to make it a 14. And here we go. 14 minus 5. I'm going to catch 5 and count up to 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 fingers up, so 14 minus 5 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. So my answer is 19. Do you understand? Look at 44 minus 9 in exercise 1. That's this one right here. Why did you need to regroup? Well, let's go ahead and write this. Okay, why did we need to regroup? Well, if I look at the ones, I see that we don't have enough ones to subtract. So we have to regroup. So let's write that. We don't have enough. Ooh, that GH makes the F sound enough. That's a funny word. Ones to subtract. If you need to pause and write that down, go ahead. There's my period, kind of. All right. Your job is to do the next side on your own. When you get done, have a teacher check it. You must also do the back, and you must do the journal always. All right, good luck. Remember, if you need a whiteboard to draw your 10s and 1s, that's totally fine with me.